A radian measures an angle based on the arc length in a circle. In a unit circle, where the radius is 1, the arc length of a sector is equal to the angle in radians. Since the full circle has a circumference of 2 pi, a full turn 360 degrees corresponds to 2 pi radians. To measure an angle, start from the positive x-axis, which we call the initial side. From there, rotate counterclockwise for positive angles and clockwise for negative angles until you reach the terminal side. Now let's think about specific angles. When the angle is 0 degrees, the radian measure is also 0. If we make a full turn, we reach 360 degrees. Earlier, we established that 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. But what if we only turn halfway? A half turn is 180 degrees, and half of 2 pi is just pi. So 180 degrees is equivalent to pi radians. Now let's break it down further. What if we go only a quarter of a turn? That's 90 degrees, which is half of pi. And if we go 3/4 of a turn, that brings us to 270 degrees, which is 3/2 of pi. To convert between degrees and radians, we use the key fact that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. This serves as our conversion factor whenever we need to switch between the two. To convert 5 pi over 4 into degrees, we can use a conversion factor. We know that pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Since we're starting with radians and want to end up with degrees, we need to cancel out the pi unit. To do this, we multiply by 180 degrees over pi, because the pi in the numerator of our original number will cancel with the pi in the denominator of the fraction. The pi's cancel out, leaving only degrees. Then we simplify. 4 and 180 share a common factor of 4, reducing 180 to 45. Finally, we multiply across, giving us 225 degrees. Let's convert 75 degrees to radians. Since we're starting with degrees and want to end up with radians, we need to cancel out the degree unit. To do this, we multiply by pi over 180, because the degrees in the numerator of our original number will cancel with the degrees in the denominator of the fraction. This leaves us with radians, which is the unit we want. Next, we simplify. 75 and 180 share a common factor of 15, reducing 75 to 5 and 180 to 12. Now multiplying across, we get 5 pi over 12 radians.